What's up, everybody, and welcome to another week of the #1 show on the TV. You know it's all about Pree Dis, and I'm your host, Cruddy. This week we're coming to you all the way from up in the hills, a Papino there, and later, trust me, we're going to show you some wicked views of the island. Now, right now, for the next half an hour, you know the thing set, lone entertainment and lifestyle, Pree Dis style. So don't move a muscle, because Pree Dis start now. There's no party without a rum cream bottle inside the party. Speaking about party, we kick off the show this week with highlights from Footloose. Now, everybody's supposed to know Footloose by now. Definitely one of the biggest and the baddest throwback parties. So here we go. New Mass Camp right now. Check out Footloose, because the thing turn up.
Everybody let me go. Somebody. Everybody put your hand in the air and start to jump.
Why you choose the oldest party out of every other party?
But I love all it. Can't young music.
So we have to say for Footloose, short edition.
Turn up is Sheldon.
Well, Footloose is considered to be a nice party, you know. It is a night that's beyond, you know, so I like the vibes.
Why vibes turn up in a mud?
This is a look bright.
Not really, we're having a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It's a good party. The selectors.
No, hurry up and bring the chaser come. Yeah, me need the chaser, the rain a fall. You don't know, I have the rum, yeah, I have the rum, so bring the chaser. Oh, wow. It's because I wait for the chaser, you know the thing set already, you know what I mean? Hear what I say. Right now, it's talent on the rise. You know talent on the rise? We have a brand new artist in the scene right now named J.A. So here we go. Check out talent on the rise. I wait for the chaser. Marcia.
Me ask one question, not 21 like 50 song. But how some boy now put up the man when missing say me not like certain man. So that we
You don't know it's all about Pree Dis, Cruddy. And we're here with J.A. What going on to say a deal with it?
Bex bad, okay then. But they are man live, you see it. They are people them love who we love them.
So tell me now how you come by the name J.A.
Alright, here we go now. I come up with the name J.A. cause me a tour overseas. Me overseas and me there Africa one night time. In Tanzania, me and Sean Kingston. Because you know, I'm a local family. So we there and we are tour and him name Sean Kingston. Yeah. So at the time, I used to go with the name Juvenile and me I say, no, but somebody named Juvenile already. Yeah. So me have to go change it and me I say, you know, say, at Jamaica me I represent star. So why not J.A.? Okay. You see me? And everybody I say, why? Me just go to America to have a raw part where they must say, real J.A. now, you know? So it worked, man. It sell off and everybody love J.A. Right now, me give thanks, you know?
All right, J.A., tell me, how long have you been doing music, you know what I mean, like professionally?
All right, well, that's me I do music professionally from like the age of like 17.
Tell me about your background, you know what I mean, coming up with high school, you got all the things set up, you know what I mean? Just tell me more about that.
All right, first of all, my real name is Tariq Morris, you get me? Born at St. James and start school, but I go high school St. Elizabeth. You see me, I go high school at St. Elizabeth and BB Cook High School. Big up everybody in St. Elizabeth too. Big up the whole of Mobile, that's my born. Big up East Kingston, where I'm currently there right now. Big up the whole Gully Heights and my people, Randy Ross, John Steele, yo, no say nothing, I don't want to call no name, you see me?
Why you take up entertainment now? Why you say, yo, here one, I have 2 lyrics now, I'm going to start sing some music and make some money off it.
All right, here we go on. Music running in the family, you see me? My old man, I do music, and my cousin them do music. So I'm born in our settings where you don't know everybody I do music. I couldn't even refuse, as me say, I know me choose music, you know? You just grab it, and music choose me and say, boy, you we are sending off, you know? Like that you go on J.A. You see me? So I know me choose it and music choose me. basically.
Alright. The big tune in the street right now, big single. Vans, as you can see, the two of we are sport it. We are promote that song there hard, you know what I mean?
Gosh.
Tell me about the brand new single right now.
That single, if me fi tell you about it, it gonna take the whole day, but I'm gonna tell you it hot. And it a shell down the whole place. It all over the place, it up on YouTube. It's all over the internet. When I search JAY-A Vans, you're going to find it.
Tell me about the other materials you have out in the street that we can look forward to.
Alright, right now we have something in the street. You have backlags, otherwise them are pure in art. That song there, I'm my second single. I shoot the video now, it a drop mountain. I tell you, it's not normal. We have spiff after spiff. Me have come on, coop on them. Don't go there, so. Mad.
Hey, Fida, you be clean to the thing. Clean to the summer from spring. Okay, when you hear what me sing, everybody know me cologne them stink.
Come on, coop on them. Come on, coop on them. Yo, me know see a smart, but sometime act like the fool pon them. Yo, come on, coop on them. Pree Dis, come on, coop on them. Yo, you even have to no talking. You even have to screw on them. Okay, that only sometime. Cause you have to know if you deal with mankind. Cause if you're too kind, them make you dollar kind. Make them read about your on prime time.
Alright, so right now we have a brand new video courtesy of Tommy Lee called Bossa Blanc. So right now, everybody miss a one of it. Drink a wordy pack of that means right now. So check out Tommy Lee video, Bossa Blanc. Oh.
Living like a mob star, we a Spartan. We support the parties like a sponsor. You know see the carrot on my Rolex. I'm never polo, for my polo. Look on the 24 rolling slow. And we no tech check. In my lungs like a cancer. From another born straight Bossa Blanca. Yeah. You not hear me say oh no fi Bossa Blanca. You not hear me say oh no fi Bossa Blanca. Easy, crazy, turning a monster. Pathologically merging a monster. Not a little but before we fi conquer. All who says what I uno Bossa Blanca. Me foot plant like a tree root. Yet still a DJ, I'm a father.
You know it's all about Pree Dis, and this week we up in Popping. Now, you don't know me start give away a bag of things every week, you know. Big up to Camille Parchment over there in Oche, because last week you win a bag of things, don't it? No, yeah, do it. Now, this week, we have more things given away courtesy of Mother. So if you want some free food, some free voucher, right now is the time to answer the question on the screen. Now, the first person with the correct answer, you know, you just win yourself food. And who know how to win that? Right now, just follow the thing. Answer, questions, all of them things there. Stay tuned, you don't know more Pree Dis when we get back. Crowd in the building, you know. Check out the view. Poppy in with it.
Antigua, something big coming your way. Listen up. Antigua, we're in the building. Listen up.
Yeah, man, look at me them. Yo, check it out. Federation Family presents a thing called Sella. Federation's first anniversary dance. And the Federation General Future Kids Earth Strong. Friday, November 23rd, 2012, inside the new G-Spot nightclub. 9 p.m. until. Admission is $15 before 12, $20 after. The first 20 ladies are free. Music by Ibis the Lifest, Super Diamond, Wooden Foot, DJ the DJ, CJ Deuce, DJ Illis, Poison Dart, War Deadly Soldier, Renegade Sound, Cannabis and Johnny Guap, Real Stingers and Selecta High, DJ Round Here, Bud Squad, Imperial Sound, Medicine Sound, Sound Haven, Dog Heart, Kenny D, DJ Crutches, DJ Tony, Selecta Fabulous, Stonewall New Generation, Pastor Cavassier, Lava International, and Lime Mine. You think that's it? You think that's it? Live performances by Drastic, Just Bus, Logic, Leapy Ching, Charlie X, Tommy, Lion King, Cool Face, Bless Eye, Jaffus, Roadstar, High Grade, Johnny Rents, Shatadan, Diddy Fresh, Sparks, Soldier Man, and a special guest from Barbados. Make sure you're early for the fashion show by Footprints and Pink Agape, hosted by Nose Dog. Free food and drink on entry, plus a free Federation CD. The girl with the hottest hairstyle will win a free hairdo from Simon's Beauty Salon. The sexiest outfit wins a free outfit from Laurie's Signature. Get your pictures by Travio Photo. And a live video recording by Pree Dis TV out of Jamaica. Sponsored by IUC Beauty Supplies and Beyond, Diamond Ice Nightclub, Trinity Hair and Beauty Supplies, G-Spot Nightclub, Townhouse Mega Store, Burton's Laundromat, The Corner Store, Laurie's Signature, Simone's Place, Travio Photo, ABS Radio and TV, ZDK and Sun FM, Variety Radio, K45, CTV, The Observer Group of Companies, Chosen Sounds, and Pree Dis TV. We're not sell out. It's the Federation family's first anniversary and Future Kids Earth Day.